Well, it looks pretty rough back here. Anyway, hey you guys, this is Riley with Learn With Me, and this is my latest compost update. Let's get to it. Alright you guys, so for this latest compost update, I have a lot of big changes. As you can see, my garden's taking a ton of change as I'm preparing for the first frost. But also, as I was helping someone move out, she's a very sweet lady, her and her daughter. Thank you so much, Sara and Leah. You guys are so awesome, and you guys really helped the garden. As they were moving out, they gave me this compost bin, and it has like lids so that you can keep it sealed and everything. And so that's really gonna improve my compost this year. So instead of me just having the one pile right here and the one pile right here, I'm gonna have a concentrated pile that will allow me to really concentrate my efforts right here. So as you can see over there, you got some ash. See, I don't know if I'm pointing to that right. Yep, those are some ashes from the latest bonfire I had. Those are some leaves, and see, around there somewhere is my compost, and I'll show you that in a sec. Okay, so this is just gonna show you my compost, but I'm really gonna show you my scraps because they are disgusting looking. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, this is perfect. All right, so first thing, I'm going to drop all these scraps in like so. Sorry, the wind's picking up a little bit. Might actually pour a little bit of water in there afterwards just to add to it and kind of get that last little remnants of stuff out of there. All right, you guys. So I thought I'd take a couple shots and throughout this video and show you guys actually me mixing the compost up with stuff. So for right now, I'm going to show you guys me adding ash and almost making a huge mess. But you know, I add the ash because I've seen it through multiple sources that ash is good for compost and different uses in the garden. So as long as I dilute it through the use of the compost, and it will help break things down and even help with the smells. All right, so this is after I added the ash. I think this will help a lot because it'll kind of cover up a lot of the smell that the rotting vegetables and scraps that I've had from the past week will have in there. But yeah, you guys, I'm about to add some dry leaves to this mixture now. I love this time of the year because everyone's leaving their bags of dried leaves on the side of the road, so I can just get some easy compost material. As you know, I prefer a drier compost because a drier compost is less likely to smell. So this is a great addition. All right, so this is how it's looking right now. I'm gonna go ahead and like crush it up with a shovel, and then I'm gonna pour a little bit of water over it, mix it up again, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Once again, you guys, I'm showing you that I'm kind of continuously mixing this process up. You want to kind of stay mixing up your compost like at least once a day, but if your pile is dry, like I say, you want to make it, you can kind of skip every other day or kind of do it however frequently you want to do it. I'm adding water now just so that all these materials and stuff can kind of mix and really saturate with each other, and the goal is to have the bacteria really start to saturate with this material that we have going here. All right, you guys, I added a little bit of the old compost, and this is the finished product. Now this should help definitely condense the amount of time it takes to make my compost, and I can make a huge quantity of it now because look how big this thing is. Well, yeah, once you're done, you just close it off, and that keeps the bugs and stuff from getting in it. But yeah, you guys, that was my compost update. You guys feel free to let me know how yours is going. If you have any recommendations, if you have any suggestions about your own, just had to turn off the water. I'm watering right now. If you have any suggestions or anything, And otherwise, just let me know if you guys like the video, if you guys want to see other things. But I'm gonna try to keep these the compost updates coming as routinely as I can, just once a month, letting you know how it goes and letting you know that it's a lot easier than people make it out. So like, subscribe, share, hit that notification button, and like I said, you guys have a wonderful rest of the day, and you guys can get into this too. Let me know if you need anything.